Here comes the sun with the Helianthus Sunsation by Helianthus. This beautiful sunflower fits extremely well with the warm Bordeaux weather. It is compact, colorful, long-lasting, and available throughout spring and summer. You can recognize them by their happy little pots. And whether you put them inside your home or outside in the garden, everywhere it goes, it brings a little sunshine. It's a wonderful gift that makes everyone happy because who doesn't like little sunny happiness in their life? With Sunsation, you can bring some sunshine to your days.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy! Voilà! Ça c'est bon. You get this one for you as well. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.